What's up everybody, it's your boy Nate. So today I'm gonna be doing the Instagram raid of one of my favorite artists of all time. His name is Beeple and he is, what is he, a motion designer, VFX artist, 3D like modeler, compositor, what is he, digital artist? He's like my favorite digital artist. I think that's what he's called. I first heard of Beeple back when I was at UCLA and I had one of the best teachers. His name is Rafik Anadol. And when I was working on this project, he showed me Beeple and said that I should check him out. He thinks I might like him. And at the time, I was like, Beeple? What is Beep? What's a Beeple? Like that's a person? And then bam, I checked him out and I was not disappointed because holy like, yo, when you see Beeple, I swear you guys are gonna be like, this guy is not only dedicated, but is super talented and has so much amazing work to just love. Thing is, he's actually been doing like a daily render, a daily creation piece, artwork in which he's kept it up for, I think like some like 11,000 or 10,000 days or some like ridiculous number. Right? You think doing this every single day, maybe it's not that good. Nah. Each and every one of them is just A1, all right? So we're gonna get right into this. Let me turn on the screen recording so you can check this out on my phone. I use AZ screen recorder, it works pretty well. Oh shoot, it's about to live stream. That would be pretty sick though to do a live stream. Yeah, you guys let me know if you wanna see a live stream.
We'll do it live, fuck it. Okay.
Bam, all right, we got it pulled up. So I'm gonna go over to Instagram right now and let's see. So if you guys wanna check out Beeple as well, all you gotta do is type in Beeple and hopefully it should pop up with Beeple crap. And that is his. And yeah, check this out. This dude is so humble, his I'm gonna try not to curse for this video, all right? Art for your face hole, 11 years of everydays. Whoa, wait. Babe, did you know it was 11 years? It wasn't like 11,000 days, it's like 11 years. Okay, anyways, 11 years is a long time. I cannot believe it. But actually, I kind of can, you know, shoot, I've been at it for a while. Okay, yo, I'm already just like getting lost inside the feed. I'm just scrolling down. There's so much. Yeah, thanks Rafik for showing me Beeple back in college. Okay, so I'm gonna pull up his most recent one. Wow, okay, this looks like it's an outer space thing. Oh my, like he has people sitting down at a control station. And then he even has like this commander dude up top. Well, actually it looks like the scenes are probably just duplicated, this foreground and then the middle ground and the background scene. Because I see all the people in the chairs, they don't have any variation, really just in the positioning. But I love the way he set up the camera so that you get so much depth in this to where we not only get the inside of a spaceship, but we get as far as like the little stars. Like, what is that? Yeah, even if I zoom in, that is a little bit of atmosphere that we see on the planet. That is so sick.
Whoa!
Right?
That is so clean.
Yeah. Right? Like, yo.
Look at that lighting. You know how hard it is to get lighting like perfectly like this on Cinema 4D? All the reflections, it's crazy. Yeah,
shoot. Okay, I'm gonna go down to now. Whoa, wait, what did I just see there? That is like a whole, like, starship. And a planet that's like a matte painting. What the f is this? Home base, yo, this is so cool. This actually even reminds me of, what is it? It reminds me of my USC application story in which I wrote about a whole civilization where all they do is live in these like big floating ships. And damn, this is just seeing this for the first time, I'm like, wow, it's almost like he captured it. Wow, this is so cool. Okay, I'm gonna save this. Hit like. Yo, shoot, I forgot to like the others. Sometimes I just be on Instagram and I don't even remember to like. So most of the time I'm telling you guys to remember to like and subscribe because shoot, I forget to do that all the time. Wow, even his Okay, I gotta stop saying wow. I gotta stop saying wow. I say it so much. Wow, wow, wow. Oh my goodness, this is so impressive. This Netflix thing, look at that. The details on it, the Netflix is even faded. Do you see, like, okay, yes, you can see it because I have the video probably pulled up when I'm editing, but yo, there's even fading on the Netflix. What the heck? Well, all right, I didn't even read the description yet. He says he's gonna be doing a workshop back in June. So this is the old post I just scrolled back on. I'm gonna keep going. There's so much to love here. Holy sh**. Yo, this is so beautiful. Already, like, I feel like Beeple's whole page is just art inspiration. There's so many things that I can pull from and just say that it would work so well in something else. Infinity and beyond. This is a big Buzz Lightyear head with a bunch of people. Yo, just like inspecting it. This is really cool. This kind of even reminds me of Rick and Morty. I have a feeling he uses max mode to get the different poses down, but I don't know, shoot. What the heck is this, yo? I don't even know what to say about this because there's so much going on. Like, they're underwater and it's a baby eating cyborg? What the hell? What is this? The imagination on this guy, like, holy shit. Whoa, this one even moves. Beast mode, yeah, that is definitely, Whoa, he even has the slight moving, the cloth simulation. That is so well done. The only thing I would say to make this a little better is to add a little dust on the footsteps. But right now I'm just nitpicking. This is an everyday thing, okay? So, wow. I love the animation too. His walk cycle is on point. Okay. I just love how you can stare at these and find so many little stories going on. There's like a pile of heads, a pile of skeletons, what looks to be an astronaut, and then just a larger version of an astronaut or some sort of robot man. I have no idea. And yet he says bad day and they're like in a tunnel. So I'm pretty sure you guys are already like, yeah, Beeple is the GOAT. And I'm not talking about I'm talking about the greatest of all time when it comes to motion design, 3D design, digital art. I don't even know what to call it because there's so many things going on in it. Just the compositions are beautiful, the colors are beautiful, the rendering is so like clean. And even when it's not clean, it's done in like this nice grainy kind of vintage feel to make all of the 3D elements feel like they came out of some sort of retro sci-fi film. It is so good. Whoa, okay babe, holy shit. All right, I gotta stop right now. This is like exactly what what the f? I feel like I would draw something like this when I was a kid. Do you see this? It's a floating city. He made a floating city. This is so cool. Like the glass dome at the top. Just a little note. I used to write kind of like these silly stories when I was in 5th grade about aliens enslaving humanity and people time traveling and stuff. And a huge part of it involved these dome-shaped flying saucer-looking cities. And I am very surprised to see that Beeple has tapped into some form of imagination to create what looks to be a way better version of my kid's like imagination, because holy shit, this is so good. Just the sky and like the details on it, oh my. All right, shoot, wait, where did that just go? No, babe, I lost it. Okay, no, I got it back. Yeah, I'm gonna hit save and like on that one too. Yo, this is a pumpkin. A pumpkin flying out of the sky. Okay, what else can I talk about with these things? Oh, okay, wait. So let me guess how many subscribers followers. I'm getting my social medias mixed up. Whoa. Yo, this is so cool. The beautiful part too is that if you go on his website, he actually gives away a lot of this stuff for free. So yeah, huge inspiration. I definitely want to be better than Beeple one day, but that's gonna take probably a little bit more time. 11 years. Damn, babe. Oh my goodness. He has this drone just flying in the light. It's just, oh, it's so beautiful. I feel like I'm being overwhelmed with beautiful art. Oh. And as I say that, I pull up the scientifically perfect emoji, which I feel like captures my entire emotional experience of checking out his feed right now. Thank you, Beeple, for blessing us with your art. Yeah, and shoot, I look forward to seeing your stuff every day. Oh shoot, I did not predict how many I was about to say subscribers again. I did not predict how many followers he has on Instagram, but I'm gonna make a guess and say that he has somewhere in the realm of at least like, How many would you guess? All right, forget it. I'm gonna guess 1 million. You know, I feel like he has to have at least 1 million people that with this art. Why did I say with? I feel like he has to have at least 1 million people that enjoy his everydays. He's been putting his stuff out there for a while now. Let's take a look. I'm gonna check right now. Dang, definitely a lot more low-key than I thought. So if you guys are watching this, go ahead and give him a follow. Let's get Beeple to 1 million. Let's get Beeple to 1 million. Hashtag get Beeple to 1 million. Okay, anyways, that's it for the Instagram raid. Next time, I want to go over Gibson Hazard. He makes some of the dopest concert trailers, recaps. I don't even know what to call it. They're so good. I'd even call them just their own shorts in themselves. And I also want to talk about, shoot, I'll leave that one, the next one a secret. But anyways, hope to catch you guys on the next one. Oh wait, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below anyone else you want us to check out. And no. All right, hope to catch you on the next one. Peace.